We're in Alabama. The car's rolling backwards at Gravity Hill. The car's in neutral. It's not much of a hill, but the car rolls backwards if it's in neutral. Show it's in neutral. It is going faster. This is crazy.
That's it. We have tested the theory. And that's the hill we just rolled up.
Yep.
Backwards, pulled us.